There were really several reasons that I was interested in doing the Listen Up Bódléar course. First of all, just simply because I enjoy good literature, and the opportunity to be supported while reading a book in Irish was really important to me. But I think probably the most important thing was, particularly as a learner who's outside of Ireland, the opportunity to listen to the language every day is a little bit of a challenge. It's just not there around you, so you have to make a concerted effort to listen. And sometimes the level of what you're listening to is just not appropriate. Sometimes it doesn't fit within the time frame, and a lot of times it's just not that interesting. You might be listening to the news or something, but Bódléar ticked all those boxes. It was the perfect amount of time to focus on every day. The material was so interesting, and the course was very well supported, I think, for learners at all levels. As someone in the sort of upper beginner, lower intermediate level, I was able to use the resources provided by the course in order to prepare myself to listen. And then I was able to listen and understand, and then go back and perhaps reread in Irish some of the passages I didn't understand. But I can completely imagine a much more fluent speaker being able to jump right in and listen and challenge themselves in that way as well. So I think the fact that the course was really available to listen or to students from a variety of different levels was just a great idea. And the story, so enjoyable. The irony, the humor, the development of the characters, I was really looking forward to when each new chapter was available. I mean, that was the fun part. That when I first saw the challenge, I'll be honest, I thought, oh my word, I don't know if I can do this every single day. But I was really ready every day to listen and to read. And what I also found important was, because we were doing something that was following a storyline, there was a lot of reinforcement of language. So if you're listening to the news every day, there might be one subject and another subject. And sometimes I feel like I'm not expanding my vocabulary because I'm hearing words and then I don't hear them again. But this way, as a listener, you're getting some repetition in the storyline with characters. And by the end of the course, I just found that my listening level had bumped up so much, which was really exciting, because then I was actually able to go back and listen to some podcasts and feel much more comfortable doing that. So it is a course I 100% would recommend to a learner at pretty much any level.